Hi, my name is Justin Hibbert. I'm a former pastor and a former teacher. And for those of you who know me, you know I've been working on a big project and writing a book. And today I'm so excited to announce the official launch of that project. It's called Ditch the Sermon. You heard me right. I said ditch the sermon. Now that may seem a little weird, maybe even off-putting. So let me explain to you what I don't mean when I say ditch the sermon. I don't mean to say ditch the teaching. We need good teaching at church. I also don't mean to say ditch the pastor or ditch the teacher or ditch the Sunday school teacher or Bible study leader or anything like that. What I mean to say, well, let me give it to you an analogy. Today, I'm at Capitol Reef National Park in beautiful Utah. The sky is crystal blue, clear, gorgeous. There's red rocks everywhere, huge canyons and cliffs. Just jagged rock formations and beautiful green shrubs. Are you getting the picture? Or maybe it'd be better if I stepped out of the way so you can see for it yourself. Studies show that when we hear things, we only remember 20% of it. When we see things, we remember 30% of it. When we see and hear things, we remember as much as 50% of it. Some of you have been to Capitol Reef National Park. You've experienced this. You've done this. And studies show that when we experience things and we create and we do, we remember as much as 90% of it. I was a pastor for many years, and I spent many hours every week crafting what I thought would be the most engaging sermon for my congregation. And here's the sad reality. It doesn't matter if it was a great sermon or a mediocre or even a terrible one. Because the way our brains work, we can only process about 20% of the information that we hear. Now, pastors, I know you work so hard, and I know that you really would like a return on investment that's more than just 20%. Ditch the Sermon is all about taking proven techniques that we know work in education and bringing them into the church, into the worship service, into the Sunday schools, and into the Bible studies, and incorporating those in a way that engages your congregation and helps make your messages memorable. Give me a favor. Go to my website, ditchthesermon.com. Follow my Facebook page, Ditch the Sermon, because I'm going to be posting tons of resources on there that will help you and guide you and be best practices for you. Especially now in this time of coronavirus pandemic, where we're all fragmented. The church doors are closed. And pastors, I know how concerned you are for your congregation, how concerned you are for the lack of engagement that's happening as everyone is fractured and secluded in their own homes. Now's the time that we have to be creative. And yeah, you could just, videotape yourself talking into the camera for 30 minutes. You could do that. But pastors, I think if I know you, you really want more engagement than that. So follow Ditch the Sermon Facebook page. Go to my website, ditchthesermon.com. I really look forward to connecting with you.